of these knives is the smarter buy, and the price tag won't tell you which one. The Zwilling Pro runs about $85. The Wusthof Classic runs around $170. That's double the price. Same German steel, same Solingen factories. So is the Wusthof actually twice as good? We pulled 4 rounds of data: steel, balance, handle, and long-term value. One of those rounds flips what you'd expect. The answer isn't the one the price tag suggests. Stick around, you'll see why. Quick note, links below are affiliate links. Doesn't cost you a cent extra. Here's the plan. 4 rounds, head-to-head. Blade steel and hardness, balance and weight, handle ergonomics, and long-term value. Each round gets one clear winner, no fence-sitting. After analyzing over 3,000 verified reviews plus expert breakdowns from Cooks Illustrated and Cutting Resource, we'll name the overall champion. Stick around. One of these 4 rounds will surprise you. The result isn't what the price tag would lead you to expect. You'll want to see how it shakes out. First up, the Zwilling Pro 8-inch. Around $85, 4.3 stars across 251 verified reviews. The blade is X50 size RMOV115 steel, ice-hardened using Zwilling's Friodur process and ground to a 15-degree edge per side. Hardness sits at 57 on the Rockwell scale. Here's what makes it special. The bolster is curved, a half-bolster, not full. That's deliberate. It opens up the heel of the blade so you can pinch grip the steel directly, the way pros actually hold a knife. Weight comes in at about 8.5 ounces. That's noticeably lighter than its rival. Reviewers who do long prep sessions, meal preppers, home caterers, keep saying the same thing. Less wrist fatigue after an hour of chopping. The downside? At 57 HRC, it's a hair softer than the competition. You'll be honing it more often, and Zwilling's sharpening service is paid mail-in through Knife Aid. Not free. Single-piece forged construction, full tang, made in Solingen, lifetime warranty. It's the lighter, more agile German knife. Now the heavyweight Wusthof Classic 8-inch. Around $170, and this is where the numbers get loud. 4.8 stars across 2,869 verified reviews. That's not a typo. Same X50 RMOV15 steel, but cranked to 58 HRC, 1 full Rockwell point harder. The edge is laser cut at 14 degrees per side using Wusthof's PEtec process. Sharper out of the box, holds the edge longer. The handle is palm polymer with a full bolster and a finger guard. Triple-riveted. Reviewers consistently mention how universally it fits. Small hands, big hands, doesn't matter. Weight is about 9.1 ounces. Heavier, more substantial. Some buyers love that authority. Others find it tiring on long sessions. But here's the part nobody talks about enough. Wusthof offers free factory sharpening for US customers. For life. Over 20 years of ownership, that's worth real money. 40-step forged construction. Full tang, Solingen made, lifetime warranty. The most reviewed premium German chef knife on Amazon. There's a reason for that. Round 1. Blade steel and hardness. Both knives use the exact same alloy, X150 RMOV15. So the steel itself is a tie. The split is in the heat treatment. Wusthof hits 58 on the Rockwell scale. Zwilling sits at 57. 1 point sounds tiny. It isn't. That extra point means the Wusthof holds its edge measurably longer between honings. Pair that with a 14-degree edge angle versus Zwilling's 15, and the Wusthof is sharper, longer. Round 1 goes to Wusthof. We're halfway through, 2 rounds down, 2 to go, and one of the rounds still ahead is where this whole video flips. The result isn't what most buyers would guess, so don't tap away. You'll want to see how this lands before you pick a side. Round 2, balance and weight. This is the upset. Wusthof is the more famous brand. More reviews, harder steel, higher rating. You'd expect it to win every round. It doesn't. The Zwilling Pro weighs about 8.5 ounces. The Wusthof comes in around 9.1. That half ounce matters. Reviewers across cutting resource, prudent reviews, and knives advice all flag the same thing. For long prep sessions, the lighter Zwilling is easier on the wrist. The curved half-bolster also lets you choke up on the blade for finer control. Round 2. Zwilling. Round 3. Handle ergonomics. Both use a triple-riveted polymer handle. Zwilling goes with polypropylene and that curved half-bolster. Wusthof uses palm with a full bolster and finger guard. The split here is universality. Reviewers with smaller hands consistently mention the Wusthof's slimmer profile feels more secure. Bigger hands still find it comfortable. The Zwilling's chunkier grip fits some hands beautifully, but not all. Round 3. Wusthof takes it. Round 4. Long-term value. This is where price gets complicated. Zwilling's around 85, Wusthof's around 170. Looks like a blowout for Zwilling. It isn't. A chef knife should last 20+ years. Wusthof gives US customers free factory sharpening for life. Zwilling charges you to mail it to a third party. 2 sharpenings a year, over 20 years. And the Wusthof's higher sticker price evens out fast. Add the harder steel, higher rating, and 10 times the verified reviews. Round 4. Wusthof. Final score, Wusthof Classic 3, Zwilling Pro 1. The Wusthof Classic 8 inches the winner. Harder steel, sharper factory edge, more universal handle, and free lifetime sharpening that quietly justifies the higher price. 4.8 stars across nearly 2,900 verified reviews backs the call. But, and this matters, the Zwilling didn't just lose, it owned round 2. If you're prepping food for an hour straight, that lighter blade is genuinely the better tool. The famous brand wins overall. The underdog wins one round outright. Both are excellent. Only one is the better default. Quick buyer's guide. If you're an all-around home cook who wants one knife that does everything well for the next 2 decades, buy the Wusthof Classic. It's the safer, smarter default. If you do long prep sessions, batch cooking, or you've got smaller wrists and want something lighter, the Zwilling Pro is genuinely the right call. You'll save almost $100. Both links are in the description. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. We drop a fresh comparison every few days.